hands-on with Nomad's base station Apple Watch wireless charging dock. Check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So Nomad's base station Apple Watch wireless charging dock has been sitting on my shelf for a couple of months now because I was waiting for Apple to release their second generation AirPods. But as you know, that hasn't happened yet, but that's okay because we know that these second generation AirPods will eventually get here. And once they do, this is going to be a great charging option for all three of those portable Apple devices, the Apple Watch, the iPhone, and your AirPods once that second generation is released. But even now, you can use a Qi wireless adapter with your current AirPods and charge them wirelessly right now. The first thing you'll notice is that the build quality is typical Nomad fashion. It is great. You get the aluminum and you get that leather wireless charging surface. And not only does it look good, but it's well designed. That charging surface features 3 coils so you can charge multiple devices in multiple locations. Now, if you turn it over on the back, you will notice that the back cover is plastic and you have a couple of non-slip rubber strips to keep the device from moving around on a surface. On the rear, you'll see the barrel plug for the power adapter, and you also see that ambient light sensor next to it. We'll talk about that in just a second. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out the power plug. Again, that uses a barrel style connector, and it also has detachable plugs, so you can switch it out for different regions. And inside the box, there are 3 different regional plugs for power. Underneath everything in the box, Nomad provides an illustrated explainer showing how to charge devices with those 3 charging coils. So let's go ahead and plug it in, and you can see those 3 lights on front. The 3 LEDs represent each charging coil. Just gonna sit it down here. All right, so if we just sit our iPhone down like that, it uses the middle charging coil. If we sit it like that, it uses the right charging coil. Okay, so let's grab our Apple Watch. We'll sit it there, and that will charge the Apple Watch. So we have 2 devices charging at the same time. Let's grab our AirPods with the HyperJuice wireless adapter on it, sit it there, and now we're charging 3 devices at the same time. Be sure to watch our overview of the HyperJuice adapter for more details. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the different charging coils and how those LED indicators light up when using different coils. So I have the Apple Watch there. It doesn't use a coil, it's its own independent charger. So we're gonna set our AirPods here on the first coil on the left. You can see the little left LED lights up. Pull it off, sit it in the middle LED lights up. Sit it on the right LED lights up. Super simple, super easy. So let's go ahead and sit our iPhone there, and you'll be happy to know that the charger supports 7.5 watt fast wireless charging as well. Now let's talk about a couple of things that I really like about this device. Number one, little details like this. When you sit your Apple Watch down, it has that little rubber piece so that the Apple Watch isn't crashing into the anodized aluminum surface of the charger. That's very thoughtful. And also there's an ambient light sensor, so when you're charging in a dark setting, it's gonna automatically dim those LEDs so you're not blinded by LED light pollution while in the dark. Much appreciated feature for sure. Okay, so a couple of obvious downsides. Number one, you're not going to get that iOS integration like you will with the AirPower wireless charger if that ever happens to ship. And then number two, it's temporarily sold out. I don't know if they're waiting on Apple to release the second generation AirPods with integrated wireless charging before they bring it back. And then number three, it's pricey, $120. That said, in typical Nomad fashion, it's very well thought out and designed. What do you guys think about the base station Apple Watch wireless charging dock from Nomad? Let me know down below in the comments. This is Jeff with 9 to 5 Mac.